Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I use the DOA sniper. So let's go ahead and go to trading view, chart. Alright, so let's use Facebook as an example. So we're using 30-minute time frame because that's what I usually use. If you use 15 minutes, most people use that for scalping. Some people use 4 hours for like weekly swings. So if you want to change that, it's gonna be right here. So I use two indicators, just the DOA sniper and the exponential moving average, the EMA. So I have three EMA set up on my chart. I have the white one for the 10 EMA, purple for 50 EMA, and yellow for 200 EMA. So EMA will is pretty much just like a Ichimoku cloud. If it's if it's over 200 EMA, let me show you. If it's over 200 EMA and over the cloud, it's pretty much an uptrend. And you only need to look for green arrows, buy signal arrows. If it's below 200 and below the Ichimoku cloud, you only need to look for sell signals right here for red arrows. So let's go ahead and try that. If you have a premium account, you can do a replay of the market, and then you can review the whole market pretty much. So let's say the market is moving right now. Let's just use the EMA so it won't be messy. So see right here, sell signal just went off. So every time the red comes out, green comes out, then red comes out again, they alternate. Because there's always a price retracement. So right now, the candlestick is below 200. So if it stays under 200, that's going to be a downtrend. So let's see. But right now, it's pretty much going to be a downtrend. See, it went under 200 EMA. Then the green arrow is going to come out. Alright, this is a bullish candlestick. Alright, it's trying to break the 200 EMA. Failed. There we go. Then boom. See, buy signal came on, then it went away. So it's probably gonna come again at the next candle. Alright, it did not. Alright, boom, it came out. But it's trying to break the 200 EMA. So 200 EMA is just like support and resistance. So right now it's trying to break over 200 EMA, the resistance. But it's failing. So we're not gonna do a buy signal right there. Because the only confirmation we have is the buy signal. But it's still under 200 EMA, which is still a downtrend pretty much. So let's wait for the market to move. See, the market's moving again. See that it rejected under 200. So right now, alright, see this? September 23, September 24, market gapped up, then it crashed down. It failed to break the 50 EMA too. So that's a bad one. So that means the market's still downtrend. So right now we just need to look for the sell signal, the red arrow. Because the green one came on already. The next one is going to be the red one. Market's moving. See, it came out right away. And it came out under 200 EMA. So right now we have we have like three confirmations. So first confirmation, the bear candlestick. The bear signal, the red arrow. The second is under the 10 EMA. The third is under the 200 EMA, and pretty much the fourth is like it's still a downtrend. So that's a good sign. So right now to figure out your strike price is we're gonna look for a 4-hour chart to see a better look of the market. We're gonna see where's the support at. So right now, let's see. Let's go up farther. See that? All right. Boom. All right. That's resistance, support. That's resistance right there. Resistance right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and buy the option and do a price target of 175. Alright, so let's go back 30-minute time frame. Alright, so we got all the confirmations. Now the market is moving. Boom, boom. Market's going down. It's going down, so it's now down to 183. It's still going down. It's 181, so you could have taken profit already. Alright, down. Alright, so the market rebounded here because under 30 minutes, that's another support. So every time frame, they have their own support and resistance. So as you can see right here, this one is pretty much a support, a minor support. Support, support. If you go farther, see that there's a resistance, support, resistance right there. Alright, so see that it bounced up. So it's gonna retrace to the 10 EMA for like price exhaustion, just a retracement. So let's see. Boom. Alright, it's getting closer. Alright, so it's basically squeezing right now. The market is squeezing right now. So you can consider that it's like a consolidation. Alright, boom. Alright, market. This is the overnight. This is 24th, September 25th. The market opens. It went up, then it dropped. And now it broke the support. So that's still a sell. Then boom. Alright, the market dipped again. Alright, so that's good. Boom. Buy signal came on. Sell signal came on. Alright. Basically at this point we would have taken profit already. See that? Still a downtrend. Anyway, so if it's a downtrend, always look for red candlesticks. See that? Boom. If you hold longer, you would have hit 175. That's if you bought it here. So if you bought it here, 186, 185, that's a 5% change in the regular price. But that thing took about a week, about 1 week. But if you took the profit right here, the first support, you would have made a lot of money already. Because this thing only took about 3 hours. And that was 3 hours when the market opened. And the market dropped about just 3%, so that's pretty good. Alright, so let's do another example. Let's go AMD. Alright, let's do a replay. So if you guys want to do a replay, I have the premium membership, so I can do replay. Alright, so right now, as you can see, market's downtrend still, but the green arrow showed up right now. We're waiting for the red DOA sniper to go off. So there we go. The red came up but it went away. Came on. Alright, so right now we're gonna check for confirmation again. So we get the sell signal under the 10 EMA, downtrend under 200. So we just need to check for support and resistance. So we're going back to 4 hours to see the bigger picture. Alright, that's the support right there. Move like there. Support right there. Resistance, 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 support, support. Go back to 30-minute time frame. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that's a sell signal right there. For 30 minutes, we need to check the 30-minute time frame. So that's going to be the strongest support under 4 hours. That's going to be one of the major. So If the market breaks below that, the market's going down. The majority. That's gonna be a strong trend. It's gonna be downtrend. So for 30 minutes, we need to look for another support. Like I said, every time frame has different support and resistance. Alright, let's see. Let's clear this up real quick. See that? The support right here, the support right there, the support right there, resistance right there, resistance, 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 resistance right there. Usually this is a zone. Some people consider that as like just the zone for consolidation. If it breaks below this zone, that's a considered sell. If it breaks open above this zone, that's a buy. Alright, so let's go back. So see that. So pretty much the market is sitting at the support. See that? So if it's under the support, you need to wait for the next candlestick and be sure that the candlestick opened below the support. Alright, it opened but it rebounded right away.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
So see that? It went back inside. Alright, try to break down again. Below the support. Then boom. That's the next day. October 10, October 11. So market gapped up. It broke the resistance. It broke everything. It broke the 10 EMA. Right now, we're gonna look for the resistance. Let's go 4 hours again. Alright, right there. Then 30 minutes resistance. Look right there. The support, resistance. Let me show you. Alright, pretty much that's the zone. It's gonna be the next zone. Let me move that. There we go. That's the zone. Alright, so buy signal came on. So you need to wait for the next candlestick. Make sure that the buy signal, the DOA sniper, the green arrow is still there. Alright, so boom. So it stayed over 200 now. And if the next candlestick, it made like a really nice rejection, a nice rejection week. So you go, alright. So we would have entered right here. Let me go back real quick. Alright, see that? Alright, so it stayed over. So we're gonna look for the strike price. So 29.76 is the resistance, but the options, the contract will buy this 90. I mean the $30 word strike price. Is it $30? All right, there we go. $30. That's still the support right there. You see it? Support, support right there. All right, so say we entered right here. This is gonna be the minor resistance. This is gonna be the second resistance. That's basically the 4-hour resistance. One of the stronger resistance, as you can see right here. Strong right there, right there. All right, so we entered. Strike price is $30. All right, boom. It broke over the first resistance. Boom. All right. Boom. It's rejecting. All right, that's still October 11. Then boom. It touched the resistance, $30. So we would have made profit already by then. So from here, we entered here all the way up here. That's about 2%. Market of 2% within 3 hours. Yeah, here. So within 3 hours, we would have made our money already. Then the price is gonna retrace. It's gonna rest. So the red arrow is about to come out. So it's rejecting. Alright, it went out. That's a false breakout usually. Boom, the red came out. So I'm not gonna enter here. Because like I said, because it's an uptrend now, we're only going to be looking for the green arrow for buy signals. So right now, see that? It went back to the support. The resistance became a support after you break over it. So, support. Now we need to look for another buy signal. Alright, boom. Buy signal came on. Over the resistance. Over Chanema, uptrend. Now we need to look for the next resistance. Alright, 30 minutes resistance would be right there. 30.50. That would be the next price target. Boom, it hit 30.50. You see that? So that thing took us about 2 hours. An hour and a half. It's faster. An hour and a half. Alright, so basically that's how I use my DOA sniper. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Message us on Discord. You guys have a good day, alright? Bye bye.